Have you ever seen a rocket engine shoot out a bright green flame? It's one of those things that instantly grabs your attention. It almost looks fake, like a special effect from a sci-fi movie. But for rocket engineers, that strange green color can actually be a clue about what's happening inside the engine. Not long ago, an AI-designed rocket engine was tested, and people online quickly noticed something unusual. The exhaust plume was glowing green. That sparked a huge debate. Some people thought it was an exciting breakthrough. Others wondered if the engine might be damaging itself. So what's the real story? It all comes down to chemistry. When different elements get extremely hot, they give off different colors. For example, sodium produces a yellow-orange glow, while copper can create a bright green flame. That's the same reason green fireworks are often made using copper compounds. Now, many rocket engines use copper in their combustion chambers and cooling systems because copper is excellent at carrying heat away from critical parts of the engine. And trust me, rocket engines get unbelievably hot. We're talking temperatures of several thousand degrees Celsius. If the cooling system is pushed too hard, tiny amounts of copper can sometimes end up in the exhaust. When those copper particles are heated to extreme temperatures, they can produce that distinctive green color. But here's where it gets interesting. A green flame doesn't automatically mean something is wrong. Certain fuels can naturally create unusual flame colors. Camera sensors, lighting conditions, and even the way the fuel is burning can affect what we see on video. And this is where modern rocket technology gets really fascinating. Today's engineers can use advanced 3D printing to create incredibly complex cooling channels inside rocket engines, designs that would have been impossible to manufacture just a few years ago. AI is now helping create engine shapes that look completely different from traditional designs. So was that green flame a sign of success or a warning sign? The truth is, without detailed test data, nobody outside the engineering team can say for sure. But one thing is certain. Every color in a rocket exhaust tells a story. It's a glimpse into the extreme temperatures, pressures, and physics happening inside one of the most powerful machines humans have ever built. And sometimes a simple change in color can reveal more than you'd ever expect. Follow Nanolab Fix for more engineering mysteries explained.